Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB drive the easy way using Rufus software. Rufus is a utility that helps format and create bootable USB drives such as USB keys, pen drives, memory sticks, and extras. Rufus can be used especially for cases where you need to create USB installation media from bootable ISOs for Windows, Linux, UEFI, etc. You can also work on system that doesn't have OS installed, for example in new laptop or desktops where you or some other, for example like the those small computers. You can use to flash BIOS or other firmwares from DOS. In this case, maybe for example, a laptop is showing blank screen, it is coming on but not displaying anything. For example, the Windows or the operating system running on that machine is corrupted. So you need a bootable drive to rectify those errors. Can also run on low-level utilities. Rufus stand out from other competing softwares for its portability features, and it is also a plug and learn software. You don't have to install it. The only thing it requires is admin privileges when you run it. For you to make a US drive, there are requirements that you need. First of all, you need a laptop or desktop where you're going to make that bootable drive from. You need that Rufus, which will enable you to write the OS into it. You also need the ISO or the image of that OS operating system you want to make. By now I am hoping you have already downloaded those requirements, the Rufus and your preferred OS which you are going to make. In my case, I've already downloaded the Kali Linux 2022 version, as you can see from here in my folder here. I have Rufus. As per this recording, it is in 3.19 version now, and I have already my OS here, ISO extended image. So what we are going to do, we are going to double click on this Rufus to run it. As I told you, the only requirement you need is to give it the admin privileges. So I'm going to double click. It asks for permission. I say yes. It opens. So the first thing when it opens, what you are going to see here, drive properties. It has some properties here, menu, what have you, explaining what you're supposed to do. So the first thing here, you see, if you are already plugged in your USB drive, you are going to see it here. If there are many, you are going to see them here. So what you do, you select the one you want to make bootable. In my case, I have one which is named as install Linux drive D here, 32 GB storage. So the next move, I'm going to select my OS, and in this case is Kali Linux 22 installer here. Say open. It is going to scan the image. Yeah, nothing else you are supposed to do. You're not supposed to touch anything else from here. The only thing you can do, you can rename your USB here. I'm going to leave it as it is and press start. A pop-up window will open, prompting you to select which mode you want to write your image in or your drive in. Now, I'm going to go with the recommended one, the first one, write the ISO image mode, which is recommended. I'm going to press OK. It is checking for conflicting processes. After checking, a warning window will open showing warning: all data on device installed as you have named your drive will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK, and to quit, click cancel. I'm going to click OK. It will start deleting, clearing, and then creating my bootable, and then writing all the files to my drive. I'm going to wait for it to finish. Yeah. And in case if you are writing a Windows operating system, it is the same process. What differs is the OS, or the operating system you are going to run on your bootable drive. Also, Rufus has advanced as it aids you to even download the iOS. There is no need to maybe to download the iOS and bootable, but whichever method that you feel it is easy for you and it is works for you, the better. In my case, I always make sure I have all the required OS already downloaded in my desktop, to avoid maybe there is bandwidth with my internet, slow internet connection, and what have you. You see, it is writing very fast. It is fast. In fact, Rovers is best. It is fast when it comes to writing or making bootable USB drives. In the meantime, write those comments in the down below there. Like this video, check this channel, watch more videos, run, recommend other topics that you like to run, suggest those topics that you would like to understand more about, those electronic related topics, IT, technology wise videos, everything. Also, press that subscribe button down there. Want to grow this channel? If you have not already, press it. If you have already subscribed to this channel, thank you. Share this channel with your friends, with your family members, those techno people who are curious to learn things about technology, electronics, anything related to science. Share with them. Let's run, let's grow together, let's innovate, let's create, let's explore. Thank you. And one point to note that Rovers only runs on Windows operating system. That is a downside, but it can't hinder learning on virtual machines where you can still make those bootable drives. Yeah, so let it not be a hinder that it doesn't run on other operating system. You can install VirtualBox there, install Windows there, make bootable devices from there. Yeah, you can see now the image is complete. We are now done. is just to unplug our US drive and plug it on our machine which we want to write the OS. Thank you for your time. Goodbye and see you next time.